Tomatoes are an incredible skincare powerhouse because of their abundance of vitamins. Vitamin C found in tomatoes is especially beneficial for collagen production, skin brightening, and overall skin health. Vitamin A in tomatoes helps promote cell turnover and repair damaged skin cells. The antioxidant properties in tomatoes, including lycopene, work wonders in protecting the skin from harmful free radicals that can cause premature aging. These antioxidants not only shield the skin but also help to improve skin texture, diminish fine lines, and even out skin tone, leaving you with a radiant and glowing complexion. The versatility of this fruit makes it a fantastic addition to any skincare routine for a healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Tomatoes are a versatile fruit that offer numerous benefits for the skin. Their natural exfoliating properties, thanks to acids like citric and malic acid, help in removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory nature of tomatoes can reduce redness and soothe irritated skin. With a high water content, tomatoes also provide hydration to the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and moisturized. Not only do tomatoes help in improving skin texture, but they also contain antioxidants such as lycopene, which can protect the skin from UV damage and prevent signs of aging. Regularly incorporating tomatoes into your skincare routine can lead to clearer, smoother, and healthier-looking skin. Whether used in homemade face masks or eaten as part of a balanced diet, tomatoes can work wonders for your skin's overall health and appearance. Utilizing fresh tomatoes as the key ingredient, this skincare recipe highlights the natural and nourishing properties of this versatile fruit. By creating a DIY treatment with tomatoes as the base, you can harness their beneficial effects on the skin. To further boost the effectiveness of the treatment, consider adding ingredients such as honey for added moisture, lemon juice for its brightening properties, yogurt for soothing hydration, oatmeal for gentle exfoliation, and turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits. By selecting ripe, organic tomatoes and incorporating these optional add-ins, you can craft a luxurious and personalized skincare concoction. This concoction promises to leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated thanks to the powerhouse combination of ingredients carefully chosen for their skincare benefits. Pamper yourself with the invigorating and completely natural benefits of our tomato and lemon facial cleanser, the ideal method for purifying your complexion. To begin, make sure to thoroughly wash the tomato before blending it to a smooth consistency. Then, combine the blended tomato with fresh lemon juice in a mixing bowl to form a rejuvenating blend. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the sensitive eye area. Rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry to reveal revitalized and purified skin. This do-it-yourself cleanser is highly efficient in eliminating dirt and impurities, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. For an easy yet effective DIY treatment to exfoliate your skin, consider giving a tomato and rice flour scrub a try. To make this scrub, start by washing and blending a ripe tomato until it becomes smooth. Then, mix the blended tomato with rice flour until a paste-like consistency forms. Apply the scrub to your facial skin using gentle, circular motions, focusing on areas that may need more attention. Gently massage the scrub into your skin for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Remember to pat your face dry with a clean towel after rinsing. This natural scrub is formulated to help eliminate dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. To begin, start by thoroughly washing a ripe tomato and cutting it into small pieces. Place the tomato pieces in a blender and blend until it becomes a smooth puree. In a mixing bowl, combine the tomato puree with honey and yogurt, stirring until you achieve a smooth and consistent texture. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the gel to your face, gently massaging in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes, paying extra attention to dry patches and uneven skin texture. Allow the gel to sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the nourishing and hydrating properties of the ingredients to work their magic on your skin. This DIY facial massage gel harnesses the antioxidant properties of tomato, along with the moisturizing effects of honey and yogurt, to leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. To apply the face pack, use clean fingertips to spread it evenly over your face, making sure to avoid the delicate eye area. Massage the pack into your skin using gentle circular motions to ensure complete coverage. Let the pack sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to do their work. Take this time to relax and let the nourishing blend seep into your skin. You may experience a slight tingling sensation from the turmeric, which is completely normal. After the allotted time, wash off the pack with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Finish off by applying your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. For best results, repeat this treatment once or twice a week to achieve a radiant and revitalized complexion. After using the tomato facial mask, it is essential to follow up with proper aftercare to ensure the maintenance of healthy skin. This includes toning the skin using a natural product such as rose water, which can help balance pH levels and tighten pores. It is also recommended to apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and prevent dryness. Additionally, it is crucial to always remember to apply sunscreen before heading outdoors to protect the skin from sun damage. To prevent irritation, it is advised to limit the use of the tomato facial mask to 1 to 2 times a week, as excessive use can potentially be harmful. Skincare maintenance revolves around practicing moderation consistently, so it is important to adhere to these guidelines. By incorporating tomatoes into your daily skincare routine, you can significantly improve the health and beauty of your skin. Following the steps mentioned above diligently will allow you to take full advantage of the natural benefits that tomatoes offer for enhancing your skin's appearance. It is crucial to be consistent with this facial treatment in order to see optimal results, so maintaining a regular regimen and supplementing it with a comprehensive skincare routine is essential. With dedication and the nourishing properties of tomatoes, you can finally achieve the radiant complexion you have always desired.